Is it really the sneaker of the year? Is it really? I'm excited, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. YouTube, what's happening, y'all, kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat, Weezy L, baby. Please say the baby. Dog, when I tell y'all I'm excited because this was high on my radar. This sneaker was very much high on my radar, man. I'm excited. Y'all see me cheesing like a fat kid with 2 red velvet cakes in his hand, you feel me? It is almost Thanksgiving now, so don't be surprised you see your boy on Instagram with 2 or 3 pieces of red velvet cake with the pecans on top, you feel me? But nah, that's neither here nor there, man. Welcome to the channel. Now, before we get started, if you new over here, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any video that I put out. I told y'all I was gonna get back consistent, and bruh, we out here. But all my day ones, everybody that been rocking with me from the jump, I appreciate y'all. Man, I really appreciate y'all for real, man. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Some people might be calling this the sneaker of the year. Like I said, it's definitely one of the ones, no pun intended, one of the ones for me for sneaker of the year, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and, hey, bring that thing on down, man. Oh, woo, boy. Dang, they were a little rough just now, ain't it? But, woo, now, Break said, the last boss was FedEx, and it's crazy because these came from UPS, but I had another package. I had the social status pennies, and my package wasn't at my door, but this one was at the door. So hopefully, hopefully they got shipped to the wrong unit, the apartment unit. But as long as I got these ones, ooh-wee, I'm excited. Let's see if I beat the final boss, because if I ain't beat the final boss, man, I'm about to reset the whole game, you feel me? Cause I don't need that box. Hold up. Game over. Flip. Game over. Flip. Bum. I would play the music, but I don't want no copyright strike. So if y'all don't know that song, then you just uncultured. But oh my goodness, look at what we have here. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Them lost and found things. This is what everybody been waiting on. Pair 1 of 3, because I'm going to have 3 pairs, you feel me? Whew. Now, this is the first time I'm looking at a men's pair. At Foot Locker, we do have our kids pairs. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all saw I posted a picture of those last week. We got plenty of kids pairs. Now, they said it's supposed to be a lot of men's pairs, but we gonna see. We gonna see, man. But ooh, we look at that box, boy. Oh my God! But anyway, I ain't gonna let me go ahead and get to the thing. You feel me? Now the label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is varsity red, black sail muslin, size 12 piece shouted. And y'all know anything I get in a 12, that's for me. That's a personal pair, you feel me? Whew. Let y'all see that tag. We be popping tags, baby. We be popping tags. Ooh, that thing loaded. Ooh, wee. But dog, I need to go ahead and get into details of the sneaker. Y'all see the aged box though. Y'all know y'all ain't worried about the box. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give y'all every detail. Y'all see the newspaper and all that. I ain't gonna try to keep y'all long because some of y'all done stopped watching me, but ooh. Ooh, the anticipation is making me wait. keeping me awake. Woohoo, boy. Hey man, these something serious. These are something serious. Now, I need to come up with a slogan. You know, Jay the sneaker guy, he got bang, even though I ain't got no lightning effects. I'm using iMovie. I don't have Adobe or Final Cut. I want to get it, but y'all got to help it boy out, you feel me? But pow, ooh-wee. Ooh, I got to turn the light down. Hold on. Let me turn the light down. Give me a few minutes. You know, let me turn the light down.
80,000 impressions later. Would you please stop imitating me? It is starting to get very annoying.
Yeah, I had to cut the light down. Look at that. The light's still kind of bright on that thing. Ooh, look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Something wrong with me. I ain't got no sense. But here we have it. The Air Jordan 1 lost and found on Sneakers App. They are calling these the Chicagos. This is an iteration of the Chicago. So, I mean, why not? And y'all see my shirt, this old Christmas shirt. I done got so fat, it don't make no sense. But let's go ahead and talk about these, the most highly anticipated sneaker of the year. Let's get it. Like I said, the most highly anticipated sneaker of the year. I am excited to have these. I'm excited to have this pair in my hand because I don't have any Chicagos. Now, I do have a sneaker with an iteration of a Chicago, but these are the closest to Chicagos I'm gonna get. And I'm surprised I don't have, well, I'm not surprised that I don't have a Chicago ones, the 2015 pair. I asked my old manager, I was like, bro, did we get that pair in store? Because I don't remember passing on. I wouldn't have passed on those, but he told me, no, we didn't get it. So that's why he don't have them either. But anyway, with these lost and founds, I love the story they have about these. Now, working in a shoe store, we find plenty of stuff that's been put in the back and just people forgot about it. Like I got a couple sneakers in here that I found simply just sitting in the back somewhere. It probably was in the wrong spot. It was supposed to be shipped and didn't quite make it to shipment because nobody could find it. Well, that's the story these shoes have. This sneaker is supposedly was lost inside of the back of a mom and pop store and somebody found it. Now, the details on it, the details are crazy because of the story, which is crazy in itself. And I kind of enjoy that, man. I kind of enjoy the story because me working in a shoe store, like it definitely is a true story. But let's go ahead and get into details talking about this sneaker, man. So with the details, the first detail I like to start off with is the outsole. That outsole does have that aged vintage look to it. Look like it was sitting around in a spot and it collected dust on the outsole. So y'all see those white little shadow marks or whatnot. Now head up into the midsole. Now this midsole is kind of sail eggshell white. I don't know if it's just my eyes or the light, but when you put it in the light, it's definitely gonna look white. Like it's looking white right now on camera. But it does have that eggshell, that off-white look to it. All right, now heading into the toe box. Now the toe box, you definitely can see the crackling, that aged look to the sneaker. So you will see those on your pairs, you feel me? Now getting into the toe cap does have that premium. This ain't that stiff leather like we used to get with some of our ones, man. It ain't that stiff leather. So we definitely got some grade A leather up here, man, you feel me? All right, now heading up along, it does come laced, not fully laced, but it does come laced with white and black shoelaces. I'm definitely going, well, since I'm getting 3 pairs, I'll probably keep this first pair right here. I'm definitely going to lace this up with that white. I want to keep it white. It's just something about the white laces in a red, white, and black sneaker that I like. But the black, I mean, it's going to hit too. Either whatever you do, it's going to hit, man. You feel me? And I know somebody like Jay, the sneaker guy, he going to freak it some kind of way, man. Jay a beast when it comes to that lace swap. All right, now heading up onto the tongue, we do have our nylon tongue, which is also in that sail colorway. And heading up further along the tongue on the tag where our Nike Air is stitched out in white with our red tag, okay? Now, when you get to more details of the sneaker, the insole is white with that red Nike Air inside of it. Not too much, not too shabby. All right, and it does come with the paper instead of the box, cardboard box. You got your paper inside that thing. All right, now getting into the upper of the sneaker. Now, the upper of the sneaker You can see the crackling along that as well, giving it that aged look. All right, and you do have your black Nike swoosh. All right, now heading up onto the heel cap. Your heel cap is cracked. Another subtle detail on giving it that aged look. Now, I heard some pairs are going to be more crackled than others. So y'all know with Nike making a bunch of pairs, I mean, you got to expect some quality control flaws. So every pair, don't expect every pair to be like your pair. I know I watched my guy Super Duper Rooper, and it's some cross the water pairs that's gonna look legit. So y'all have your eyes open. Have your eye open, like Pop say. Gotta have your eye open on that one, all right? Now, that's pretty much it as far as getting the details of the sneaker, man. I'm gonna do something I ain't did in a long time, which is give y'all on foot, because I do plan on getting 2 more pairs. I definitely want a pair to trade, and I'm gonna have one to rock. I know I'm being greedy. Y'all know I hate that I'm being greedy, but I need to, because it's some stuff that I'm trying to trade that I was trying to trade for. Like, it's some stuff I missed out that I definitely need, man. But yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all an on foot. I might give y'all, nah, I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna give y'all an on foot. We gonna hop back. We gonna end this joint. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed the sneaker review, the lost and found Chicago ones, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, on Sneakers app, they're calling it the Chicago's, but I think the name everybody's going to go with is called the Lost and Found, man. But hey, I appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, as always, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below, is this a pickup for you? I know it's a pickup for a lot of people, but is it a double up, triple up? I'm trying to triple up. Once again, my bad for being greedy, but I got to, man. I'm sorry. I don't mean no harm, man. But anyway, like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section below what y'all gonna do with these things, man. But once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. And as always, sending everybody love, peace, and all this beef, throw some chicken grease on that thing.